What's going on, everybody? So today I'm at Kyle's house. If you don't know my videos or haven't watched my videos much, Kyle is basically my mechanically inclined friend. I know things, I just don't do them well, so he's gonna teach me how to put on front rotors and pads for this car. I got some upgraded brake pads right here and some OEM rotors because my car needs them bad, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to throw those on.
Looks good, yes sir.
You like the lights?
Brighter than my future, my guy.
I knew I forgot something. It was the brake cleaner. So we're gonna take the boss and go get that, because I'm an idiot.
Oh, that was not the best reaction I've seen in my life. I would throw more things.
If I would have caught, no, my car is right here. If I would have caught that, that would have been impressive. I thought that was a tennis ball, and the shock when it hit my hand was just not okay. The license plate light, LEDs look good. Still don't have a license plate for them, but you know, only got 4 days until it expires, but we're gonna send it. You want me to get out my caveman tools?
Your caveman tool. There we go. Boopity boppity boop.
I don't speak Italian, I'm sorry.
Spaghetti.
I really don't speak Italian.
It's my dialect. Okay, 10 out of 10 this doesn't come off.
Oh, no way.
No way.
No. I'm sorry, but your Duracell powered drill isn't gonna... Okay, hang on. Why do you have a beanie on?
Well,
Is Bandana Kyle a thing of the past now?
I was wearing my Strickland propane hat, but I'm not at work today, so... Why am I only doing the fronts?
Can you at least tighten them?
I'll think about it.
No, like we're gonna forget. And I'm gonna have wheels popping off.
This is anus!
Come here for the thumbnail.
Doing brakes for the first time.
Yeah, there we go. Wow.
Ever since not jerking off, my right arm is slowly becoming the I realized how many gains I got from...
If I have more than 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, you will be getting a blooper reel.
You'll get to see all the content that Josh cuts out because I say things that aren't allowed on YouTube.
And I definitely won't be able to monetize that video, so you better appreciate it.
Most
I need my 10 cents.
Video. You do not get monetized. You don't even...
Because the songs are... No, it's a song.
Why? Because I played Megan Trainor for 3 seconds?
Yes.
Because I'm all about that bass for 0.2 seconds, so
Yes.
YouTube just... Josh, come here.
I'm here.
Kick this with your foots. Alright, kick it like you got some weight on you.
If I don't have weight on me.
Come on, Squidward.
Bed.
Hey.
Did it. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's, here, I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna tighten the ones that were loosened so that oh, good lord, I would have died. For brakes, I went with OEM rotors with some PFC pads. Yeah, PFC pads. These brakes are awful. Not the ones I bought. Well, I don't.
Yeah, they're garbage.
You told me they were good.
No, they're just garbage compared to mine.
Oh, well, shut up.
They're special. They're the most expensive ones we got.
I charged Tom $60 for this. I'm doing this so kindly for you.
I'll give you the 15 cents of ad revenue.
It's a fair trade. Can't wait till my wheels come. I have to look at them for a year because I can't come on. I mean, these rotors probably have a little bit of life left. Oh, no, they don't. Wow! You have heat shrink cracks.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good.
That's not good. Right there. That's textbook not good. Yes,
Well,
sir.
good thing I bought new ones. I'm kind of a high roller. I went with OEM. Pretty famous brand.
Powered by.
You might know.
You hear a lot about OEM. Well, they've been in a box, so. All right.
Yeah, just
You got the brake boy. These pads. It'll be nice to be able to stop my car.
as an overlooked, widely overlooked factor.
Yeah, it'll be nice to not feel like there's an earthquake when I stop. Oh wow, this vehicle is dirty.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's not what we want.
Oh yes, that went so well. Oh, sometimes I amaze even myself.
Like I said, I'm not the mechanically inclined one in this friend group. I'm more mechanically inclined than some.
I hate being the mechanically inclined one because I
you
have
get
to
weaseled
do
into doing everything. Yeah.
I have to do everything.
Thank you, Kyle.
Remember when I put your bumper on?
Remember when you were gonna help me with my exhaust, but then you gave up? I bought you ice cream to persuade you to keep going, but then you still gave up?
Remember when I came over to put your hood on, and we put it on, and the washer fluid didn't work, and it was crooked, and then I was like, I just left.
Yeah, I remember that. Yes, in order to do this, you gotta take the caliper off. There's the 2 bolts in the back that Kyle is currently struggling with.
I got him.
He got them, he's not struggling anymore. He is wheezing though.
They're coming back for me.
Oh, good.
Like I hear some white kids throwing water bottles at Ford Rangers. Let's send them to prison again.
Yeah.
They won't get that meme.
No, they won't. Kyle went to jail for throwing a water bottle at a truck.
All right. Thank you.
Insert mugshot.
No, don't you dare. Yeah, I know what you're gonna do. I'm gonna be like talking to the camera right now, and there's just gonna be my mugshot right over my face the entire time. Like you're gonna see my mouth moving.
Is that what you want?
No.
I'll take that into consideration.
My face is all fat because I got a hockey puck shot through my head before
I think you were just crying. And
I wasn't mugshot ready.
You were eating good before you got your mugshot taken.
Yeah, I was really upset that they took my hoodie strings so I wouldn't choke myself to death.
Did they really?
Yes, dude. They took my
Before or
shoes
after they gave you a bologna sandwich with seeds?
with seeds in it. Yeah, they're growing bologna in jail.
Yeah.
That was before. They took my shoestrings, my belt. I got the 3 numbers to call that are supposed to like bail you out. And I was like, I don't want my parents to find out about this. So I called people that I wanted to leave funny voicemails with.
Which
So I called,
one of them wasn't me, and I still am bitter because of that. I wanted one so bad.
I called Ben. I called my prom date, and I called somebody else. I can't remember, but it wasn't Josh.
No, it was not.
Yeah, I called Ben though. Shout out Ben. Always got my back.
I don't even think he watches my videos. If you do, thank you.
Jeremy broke out his vast and sophisticated toolkit.
Okay, cue the.
Do you want me to go get the shovel?
Yeah.
They're back to when I tried to fix Kate's laptop with a hammer.
Did you really?
Yeah, I did do that.
Did it?
I did not fix the laptop, no.
One would. That's so odd.
Do you have it though?
Yes. It's right. Yeah.
Hey.
It's some wood that I found that
Good.
aids me in the process. Am I hitting it?
Yes. Hooray.
Okay, boss.
Go ahead and get back to work.
That tastes awful.
Oh god, I'm tasting it too.
Not ideal.
Oh man. Alright, we're at a brake cleaner. So we're gonna run to my house real quick in the truck and go grab some. Alright. Currently in a group chat right now talking about Mustang Week. What's the verdict? Should Kyle and I go? Do you think it'd be beneficial for us? I don't know.
I'm a broke ass
We're both broke, so we don't know what to do about this.
Yeah, so it's a cosmetic upgrade. I didn't go with the drilled or slotted because I just don't like the look. That's why. It's not because I don't have money or because they crack. It's I just went with this one because I like it.
For track days.
Yeah, it looks good.
Alright, driver's side's finished up. Thanks to Kyle. The wheel back on. Oh, my knee just gave out. Did you see that?
No.
The ratchets. You got your gun?
Where's my hat?
I don't know. Yeah. Where are the lug nuts?
Oh, right here.
The drill? Is that what we're looking for? There's the hat.
Where's that other e-brake pad? And then there's those pliers. What was that?
I don't know. There it is. New rotor. Looks good. Now I'll be able to stop. Alright.
we're done. And by we're done, I mean Kyle's done. I now have brakes that probably won't kill me. So, oh, no. We're gonna go ahead and take the car out in a minute and test them.
One blow, boys.
We're gonna have a quick trip. I'll probably get a slushy, Coke one. I don't know why I'm saying this, you guys don't care. So yeah, that's a not very in-depth tutorial on how to change brakes on a S197 Mustang.
Yeah.
So,
Find your mechanically inclined
Friend with the big garage, make him do it.
so if you have any questions, go ahead and you can ask Kyle. I'll put his Instagram right here. And not me, don't ask me, because I don't know. I can take a wheel off.
Check out this lighting though.
Yeah, I'm ready for all the comments. Yeah, the lighting, it's a little harsh, but I'm ready for all the comments saying, oh, you don't work on your own car, you can't do it. I know. You don't have to tell me.
I do enough for both of us.
So,
Oh, it doesn't count because his dad, look at it, he has a lake house. His dad bought him that car. Screw him. I hate this channel. I'm gonna go watch TJ Hunt and his Asian friend.
we'll see you next time.